Mosquito was out here also blind, competing with these artists who that sing about banging the line, buying markets, buying crown, and the girl them did love the artists them. The girl them did love them. Everywhere you go you hear a chopper song. Vybz Kartel get released from prison and these artists just wipe off of the face of the earth to backside.
Move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
I don't know one Media Fox pan up, Yeah, man. You know things that. So people, today, I'm going to expose a lot of things. Because when I realize all these years, it was all just saying a words and just about controversy and hype. And them not at the true reality. You understand? But you're going to hear what Pink Persia say.
To change the whole entire game of dance. I remember, Mosquito was out here also blind, competing with these artists who that sing about banging the line, buying markets, buying crown, and the girl them did love the artists them. The girl them did love them. Everywhere you go you hear a chopper song. Vybz Kartel get released from prison and these artists just wipe off of the face of the earth to backside. When Vybz Kartel behind bar.
People, let me tell you this. All these people go around and say a bag of thing. One bag of lies. First of all, brother, Kartel found out, you don't know, people not see him for years. They might go and see him. You know, say the social media I got blow up, right? The artists them still I do what them I do, brother. You don't realize, bro, you never a focus on music when for Kartel found out. It wasn't about music. It's about freedom. Coming from prison after 13 years. Linking up with him, family, them, all of these things. See? It was all about that. From who him fall out, from it not have nothing to do with dancehall. It was more like controversy, like him family, all of them things, him and people who fall out. A bag of thing. The things them we must say, seeing, by interview, all of them look at something. Getting back like based on the people them, them ask him a bag of question now, prison, this, that, one him did fall out and him in a prison. All of them look at something there, brother. Seeing? I have to remember say, I'm the only dancehall artist where I go prison for 13 years. Seeing? You have to look on that. So when him found out, people I go and see him, I want to hear what him I go say. You understand? So because that is a social media world and not dancehall itself. So it trick uno now to make you feel like say, yo, I tell this, the artists them still I do what them I do. The thing is that the artists them, they are road and I do what them I do normally. See, when Kartel found out, it wasn't about music, it was about seeing him and hear the controversy, all of these things. See? So yes, the presence of him forwarding out, people are going to talk about him and all of them look a thing there. Before Kartel found out, people did a talk about music, dancehall, who are around the place with music. All of them look a thing there. Look at controversy come here and there. See, if you realize now, a lot of things are going on in the media. You see me? A lot of things. Like the attention kind of change from the music business. Seeing people still a drop music. A video when Alkaline forward. You see me? And they look at DJ Mac Rhythm and all of them look a thing there. Before that, man talk about house and car and this and way. Seeing? DJ Mac Rhythm forward up. Everybody a talk about Alkaline album. Alkaline him show. Alkaline drop him album. Good girl song, everything. It gone back to music focus, You see me? Yeah, it was all about some different thing. And when I tell you don't know you have foot hype. I say a bag of thing, tell it, Lisa hype. She mad out and all bag of thing. You don't know the strips. You don't know the Melissa saga. You see me? Melissa, the Hurricane Melissa. That was the next thing. So now everything gone back to music now, if you realize. Was talk about Slip and Slide, Girl Good, Kartel Victory. Yes. See? Music is there right back now. So right now, the focus is on music. I look at now, Kartel free about 2 years now, they are road. See? Everybody see him already, way. So it gone back to the music now. See? So that's the difference now. Won't not understand. You see me? The artists them a do them thing. They talk about Valiant song, governor. All it's just a focus on the music when it comes to social media and the musical thing when it comes to dancehall. Now the social media now, because the social media world is different from the real world. See, because we know we're there and we are focused on the music side now. Everything gone back to the music side. Right now, you don't know Genius Rhythm, the Hill and Go Ride. See? Yeah, Alkaline song mad up the place. You don't know the matter about victory. Right? So it's not nothing about cartel anymore based on if you buy this a house, yeah, him a who and music hit the back now. See the artists them a fall upon the Genius Rhythm, all of them look thing. Where they are the J free thing, way music it there now. See? And I just one of them thing there. So whatever pop up, I just one of them thing there. You see it? So when I say I not understand, bro, more while not talk. When I sick in on the brain, bro. You see the artists them still do music. It's just where the focus is on. You see me? And the focus not the pan cartel, brother. The focus right now on music. You see me?
As them artists they only call 3 million views, 10 million views. Them even a little more views than Mosquito and Blinds, really and truly. Where them artists they know. Because clearly are two artists out there fight for them life since Vybz Kartel get released from prison. And a Blinds and Mosquito. Where the other artists them there.
Bro, what you talk about fight for views or fight for career, brother? But I don't know what you talk about, bro. Cause you make it seem like the cartel now really do much when it comes to views like that, brother. You see me? Cartel drop victory recently like 6 days. You see me? To go on with the thing 1 point something, but him not really do major nothing, brother. The man drop song before that name good. The guys are people that beat him. You understand? Some don't know what you talk about, brother. At the end of the day, dog, the young you have to remember saying, bro, Uno keep on bring up cartel with the youths them. Seeing, I have to understand the cartel are big artists. Seeing, and the local young youths them were bust like 4 years ago. Asian them bust like a year ago. Skipper bust like a year ago. When me talk about bust, yeah, a song where, you see me? Couple of the artists them well, brother. Valiant them are like, what, 4 years ago. Joshy them 5. Skank them 5. Bro, the man them just bust with you, brother. You understand? So I don't know what you really are talking about. Majority of the artists them when a dancehall, them no bust 10 years yet. Them no bust 10 years. Them young same way. You see me? But it's so funny that's try use a cartel do with the young youths them we just bust with it. You see me? That now make no sense, dog. Cause you know the cartel have a huge catalog. What I use is not what I think based on where the focus depend. You see me? But at the end of the day, when you go party in the streets, and music, yeah, brother. You hear the youth them music. You see me? Yeah, you hear the youth them music. So you are look on a social media level. You see me? You not look on in the street level. You see it?
Them lucky even if them drop a song and it get 200,000 views, Vybz Kartel cause that. Because really and truly, when nothing is said, dancehall behind bars and no joke. It's not no joke. Where them artists they right you know?
Dancehall be not always say some madness, you know. But people, you know more while me sit down and we are reason than a couple people say, yo, no, I lie to wait. People, let me tell you this, I just knowledge. People are going to listen and understand. Because you can't make. Remember, you know, I know him alone I say them thing, you know. Man, I say dancehall like up a prison. When Vybz Kartel never create dancehall. You understand? These are some very strong statements. Me I tell you that, people. Some strong statement this. Because, bro, one man can't bring dancehall, brother. You see me? It's just because of cartel and the hype. It trickle now. Because, bro, cartel they really do much. Music not really. In this day and age, music not really do much for cartel right now, bro. Especially when we not really support the artists like that. Man dropping last album, Heart and Soul. It not even hit the Billboard. Nobody know the numbers. It not even make the numbers to go Billboard. So that alone tell you, brother. You see me? And Vybz Kartel thing right now, it have to have some type of controversy with it to really get the boost. Seem like with the double DJ Mac rhythm, yeah. You notice after that you know to hear again because the hype not there. The victory thing now, and in a little hype thing, when you don't know Alkaline, album, Girl Good, song, you don't know Massacre Bossy and the Slip and Side thing. So the competition there, the controversy, the compare people are gonna say, yo, watch it. See it, yeah? Bad this, bad that. But the thing is that make Vybz Kartel drop a audio and I see what go on. The only reason why I don't really talk about one song, which is Panic, and I choose Shensia. And Shensia is well marketed right now. So the song will get a boost because right now Shensia can do a song with a brother for World Cup. You understand? World Cup Shensia work with right now. So anybody should do anything with right now. Trust me. Yeah, it'll get the attention there. You see me? Because that's the only song me hear them talk about. Panic with them and Shensia. But when Kartel drop a single, them not too get no energy because no bag of views and some of them back behind it. You see me? A Kartel drop good song. See them guys are people them say, you I shaggy this, I shaggy that. You see me? So I kind of realize on the run with hype and all of them little thing there. You see me? But the artist, I don't know. He might do him thing. But the magnitude to wanna hype him up with, it not really did this, bro. You see me? To me, you just run with hype. When it comes to music and views and sales, you know did it. You see me? And that's how I tell you, say I hype on the run. But you know why? Because I remember when Vybz Kartel just the SYM song on DJ Mac with him. And I realized, say, oh, so them go buy up the song. See? Which is good for the artist. Good for dancehall. Them go buy up the song and you know why them buy it? Because them hear people say, oh, that song is shaky, so them go buy it and drop it at number 1 and buy up. But you notice after that, Kartel drop some song, them not to buy it, like how them buy that song there, you know. Cause look, you know, some of my song them not come with the hype and the controversy. When Kartel just forward out and him first song come it, seeing that I will get it, the controversy around it and first music video with him in it. You understand? Yeah. And then him drop couple song after, but some of them not really getting a peer mind and all of them look a thing there. Since Kartel come out, a one song and I got is the greatest, so we can say, alright, this. And him release so many songs for sure you. You understand? So small while me on attack, when just attack internet based controversy. We not really attack the music the real way.
And did that dominate when Blinds and Mosquito are dominate? No Kartel get released from prison. Where them there? It just for show you how powerful, how influential, how dominant Vybz Kartel is when it comes to this thing called dancehall. Because nobody not care if these artists even want to release a next song. With the Pablo YG, with the Marksman, with the 450, with the Craft, with the Roger Wild, with them artists there.
No, so we're Sean Storm there. You understand? We're Sean Storm. One to the artists them where they run. One to Lick Addy. One to them artists there. Since Kartel come out, him son them start get back some look song, you know. Remember that, you know, before the youth them never really get none. You see me? So if you go call out them man, you have to call out Kartel son them as well. You see it? So you are look pan because Kartel are your artist. You know, meds them a man your music. You know where you are meds? You are meds. Controversy. The controversy around Vybz Kartel, you are meds. You know, meds. That's what I'm telling you, say, yo, uno really rate the music, and that's why when it comes to Vybz Kartel and him release certain albums and you will see certain sales, I wanna say him are the king of dancehall and everything. But the numbers they him did not match up. See, you know why? Because when I sit down every day and say this and hype and this and that and Ray and when you use social media dominance, we say yeah, he might run dancehall. And I say it work. Because before, back in the days, before social media, that's not how you run dancehall. You understand? So more while me attack, when me you not attack, brother. When you don't have the knowledge, you don't really care about the music when it comes to Kartel. We see that already. The only time I don't care about music is when competition between either Alkaline or Massacre. Without them one day, it's like when Kartel drop music. When I just, alright, this, that. Because I see Kartel drop Victory. And I see Kartel Vlogger run out. Like Alkaline girl good them a watch. Them a say Alkaline copy Kartel, this, that, Ray. The man them figure about them artist music. That's why I try to share them want controversy, them want I saw them work. Them not care about Kartel music. If them DK, them would pay Alkaline video in mind. Yeah.
With them there. So y'all tell me, say right now, I just Vybz Kartel and the two other artists that we are fight so hard to reach Vybz Kartel level. It crazy out. Look over.
Brother, I don't know what kind of level with Vybz Kartel you're talking about, brother. I don't know what kind of level you're talking about, bro. Because at the end of the day, Massacre or Alkaline, where them are run down Cartel level for the what? Cartel in the game for about much years now. The man them just gone, Alkaline gone 13 years in his career. Massacre gone like, since him boss him gone like about 11 years. You understand? So where them are going to run down Cartel with? When them not gone the years the Cartel going. First of all, Alkaline I do great. When you check it, who do the Solar Arena them? The only two artists I we say at the Solar Arena is Cartel and Alkaline. See? So Alkaline is ahead of him time. You see me? The youth have him song, him it sang them. Because one know say, yo, dancer is more than music, you know. You see me? A lot of artists just put out music and say them consistent, this and that. But when you check it, them say them have 20 hit song, but them can't even do 20 different dates with that tour. For sure, you say, is these songs really a hit? You understand? Sometimes when they just run with some word, with some narrative and it just nah add up in a reality. You see it? But hear what that brother you say.
Is a smart artist. We see the video.
You know that though. Vendetta bars in a easy. We see the video. I will see the whole of the play them where you are put in your video was similar in the rural bass video. Alkaline, a long time we know say Vybz Kartel your idol in music, you know. If you just admit it to the rural, that we know say a Vybz Kartel inspire you if you become Alka. So you may say, good
people. You hear them man attack? Yo, I feel like them man I feel like them rate Alkaline, to be honest. I don't know. Them observe Alkaline so bad. Like, it come like if Cartel not compare to Alkaline, Cartel is nobody. Like, the false narrative about copying, I feel like if it never did it, Cartel would get that energy there. Like, for years now, Alkaline can't. A good thing say Alkaline life private. Because they would have critique it in a heavy way for try to compare it with Cartel. Everything they you do, yo, see there, a Cartel inspire him. Like, I feel like a Alkaline, yo, the man make dancehall relevant. To be honest, like, everything the man in from Hurricane, them say, yo, he mean, he not support people. He man, when Massacre and Tamilia clash, everybody run out and had this Alkaline and he not even say none. Seeing every little moment, for sure, yo, Vybz Kartel do about how much arena, maybe like about 10 or more arena. Seeing? Or about 8 arena, seeing? And Alkaline only the one in the Barclays Center. And me I tell you, him on that comparison, Alkaline a go up a entire stage. Yo, Cartel him follow. Yo, Cartel this. Yo, I'm going to see him promote our Cartel. Everything you do. Me I tell you, this is going to be history in a dancehall to bombard. Sometimes I wonder how they do it, but it shows that Alkaline is a great artist. Yeah, man.
video, big up your damn say, but me see it. Me see say Vybz Kartel I teach you a lot still youth. And me respect that if you know say you're techie, but you're educated and smart youth, you take it and do it in a your way that you know look obvious to the public. But we the John Public and John Tam and John everything, you see the whole play. And the Gaza nation. But that's why I got music overall and we love it. But we see the play, we see the rogue here, you know. I'm out.
Yo, me I tell you, them man you watch man more than woman to bombard. Me I tell you. So Alkaline wear a robe in a music video. Right? And it come like say a Vybz Kartel alone wear a red robe in the world. See? So when we realize if Vybz Kartel do that, it copyright no more Alkaline. Remember, you know, other artists can do it, you know. And them not compare them with Cartel. But when Alkaline do it, yo, we see it, you know. With that's Alkaline telephone get going, you know. He is not a dancehall artist. That's why when Winford asks him and say, yo, you borrow a few things from him. And Alkaline say, yo, me have my own clothes, me have my own jewelry. When me borrow. Like, them man, yeah, I don't know that, but I'm glad to say Alkaline na dancehall, because I feel like say that more, that boring. I tell you. If Alkaline never in a dancehall right now, it wouldn't so active. Me I tell you. To the amount of artists out out and this one youth we never do them nothing. Every little thing. Jeffrey just forward from prison. No. Basically jail. Yeah. Jail. In fact van jail. See? And the first artist we man have to really talk about Alkaline. So you meet Alkaline. Alkaline have to be great. Me I tell you. The man, me I tell you say if anybody will call him man name, it go viral. Me I tell you. But you don't know one media facts. If I make the people them know what one. Kartel do him thing, but them just a use social media, repost and all of them something and say man I run dancer. And I say it go, bro. You see me? And I say it go, brother. You see it? And I say it go. We use music. Music we use. Yeah. I say it thing go. But people, you don't know a thing set, you know. Yeah man, big up on yourself. One media facts. That is it.